Hi, today on Cooking with Toya, I'll show you how I make my butternut squash inspired yams. So for this recipe, I'll be using one of my homegrown organic butternut squash. You're going to need some sort of vegetable peeler or knife to cut and peel your squash. My husband is actually going to help me since the butternut squash is pretty tough. We first start off by peeling the butternut squash. And next we cut off the top and the bottom part of the squash. You should see many seeds inside, which we're going to cut in half and scrape out with a spoon. Now, using a knife, we'll cut them lengthwise to cut later on into smaller cubes. Okay, I grabbed my baking dish and now I'm going to add my butternut squash pieces to the dish. Next, I add about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Lastly, I add date sugar to taste. I give it one last stir and then put it in the oven on 375 degrees. Once it's done, all you need to do is mash it up. And there you have it, quick, easy, tasty butternut squash yams. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to comment and subscribe for more of my alkaline meals. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.